Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, I'm going to cover some basic pros and cons of TRT. And just so you have a heads up, I personally get my TRT from a telehealth company called Fountain TRT. It's all online, and I've included a link down below you can use to get a really good deal if you're going to get a subscription with them. It's actually the same way that I got started with them too and saved a lot of money. Now, I'll explain why I only use this company in just a minute, but first, let's jump into the actual benefits of TRT. So the first one's energy levels. This is a big one, right? TRT is going to give you a huge boost in energy, stamina, and mental focus big time. You're going to feel more motivated and just ready to take on the day, like from the second you're out of bed. Next, mental clarity and mood. So a lot of guys find that they're sharper as far as mentally goes, and they're just way less stressed throughout the day. For me personally, TRT just puts me in a better headspace and just more, I have that more consistently. Then there's muscle growth and fat loss. Now here's the deal, guys. It's not a magic pill, okay? But if you are putting in work at the gym, TRT is definitely going to help you see results faster and stay leaner, especially in the belly area, guys. Next up, of course, is libido. TRT can definitely boost your sex drive. It's definitely worth mentioning. And finally, sleep improvement. Many guys find that they sleep better, which then affects everything else. Energy, mood, you name it. All right, now for some possible cons. This doesn't apply to everybody, but here's a list. So it's a long-term commitment. TRT isn't something you can just try for a little bit and stop. Once you're on, you're likely on it for life, so make sure you're ready for that. Second is really important to mention, which is the cost. TRT can add up, especially since most clinics have a lot of hidden fees and charge extra for every single additional consultation. In fact, it's one of the reasons why I use Fountain TRT. They keep it simple with a flat $199 per month fee. That's $199 no matter what. It covers everything. No hidden costs, no extra consultation charges. Plus, you can cancel anytime, which is really rare in this niche. Now, side effects. Some guys get acne, oily skin, sometimes even hair loss. It varies and it's often dose dependent, but it's something to watch out for. Now, I want to mention the injections as a con as well. If you're doing injectable TRT, you'll need to give yourself shots regularly, which is not a big deal if you're used to it, but if needles aren't your thing, it can really get uncomfortable. It bothers a lot of guys. Lastly, I want to mention regular blood work, okay? You'll need ongoing monitoring to keep everything in check. What Fountain TRT does is they make it easy by handling it all remotely, but you still have to stay on top of it. Now, why do I only use Fountain TRT? I told you I was going to come back to that. Number one, it's super convenient because it's all online. It's the most affordable I've been able to find, and it's straightforward. Everything shows up at your door. The doctors really know their stuff. And again, just for $199 a month, you're getting everything included, no surprises. And if you're considering TRT, I've got a link again, like I said, down below. Definitely check it out because it'll save you a lot of money. That's it for this video. See you in the next one, guys.